Start removing the inlet cap by unscrewing its 4 screws. Then remove all the components inside: gasket, impeller and shaft, planet wheel and shaft, gear ring, and output shaft. Gasket, to dismantle the cleaner head, match the points on the retaining ring with those on the hook spanner. And loosen the cleaner head. Take out all the components of the head: the clip ring, pin, bevel gear, ball ring, retaining ring with its seal ring. Remove the retaining screw from the base housing. And then separate the outer tube and inner shaft. Extract the bevel gear and the ball ring. Then remove the inner shaft. Now take out the ball race from the outer tube. And remove the plain seal from the inner shaft. Place the plain seal on the inner shaft. And put the ball race back into the outer tube. Be careful that it is correctly placed. Now insert the inner shaft and let it through the ball race. Place back the ball ring and the bevel gear. And lock the inner shaft. Match the screw holes on the base housing and inner shaft, and then secure with the retaining screw. Place the flat side of the seal ring onto the retaining ring. And assemble to the cleaner head, ball ring, and bevel gear. Insert the pin and secure with the clip ring. Pin and clip ring shall be free to move axially. Now be sure that the drain hole stays in the lowest part of the outer tube. Once the cleaner head is correctly placed in the outer tube, tighten with a hook spanner. Now put all the components of the top part back into place. Gasket, flat face, facing down. Output shaft. Gear ring. Planet wheel and shaft. Impeller and shaft, and check they can freely rotate. Then the last gasket. Always flat face downwards. Finally, place the inlet cap and put the screws back in place.